Today we're diving into a modern marvel that blends legendary heritage with cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Ford GT40. The Ford GT40 is a name that has echoed through the halls of automotive history, known for its dominance at Le Mans in the 1960s. Fast forward to 2025 and the GT40 is back, reimagined to pay homage to its storied past while embracing the future with open arms. Ford has taken everything we loved about the original and transformed it into a hypercar for the modern era. At first glance, the 2025 Ford GT40 is a visual masterpiece. The design screams performance, with sleek aerodynamic lines, aggressive curves, and a stance that looks like it's ready to pounce. The low-profile silhouette harks back to the original GT40, while futuristic LED lighting, carbon fiber accents, and massive air intakes make it clear that this is a car built for the 21st century. The iconic dual racing stripes running across the hood and roof are a nod to its heritage, instantly recognizable and undeniably cool. Under the hood, the 2025 GT40 packs a beast of an engine. Ford has equipped it with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, meticulously tuned to produce over 700 horsepower. Paired with a state-of-the-art 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the GT40 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed of 220 megabytes. But it's not just about raw power. Ford has integrated advanced hybrid technology, making the GT40 not only faster, but also more efficient. This hybrid system enhances torque delivery and provides an instant boost when you need it most, ensuring peak performance on both the road and the track. Step inside, and the GT40's cockpit is a perfect blend of luxury and function. Every detail has been designed with the driver in mind. The seats are crafted from lightweight materials, offering maximum comfort and support during high-speed maneuvers. The steering wheel is inspired by Formula One, with controls at your fingertips for an immersive driving experience. A fully digital dashboard displays real-time performance data, while the infotainment system seamlessly integrates with modern tech like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. It's a space that feels as futuristic as the car looks. Ford hasn't just focused on speed and aesthetics, they've also prioritized advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction. The chassis is made from carbon fiber, ensuring the car remains light yet incredibly strong. Active aerodynamics, including an adjustable rear wing and front splitter, optimize downforce and stability at high speeds. Whether you're carving through tight corners or blasting down a straightaway, the GT40 feels like it's glued to the road. What truly sets the 2025 Ford GT40 apart is its ability to connect with its roots while pushing boundaries. It's a celebration of Ford's racing heritage and a testament to their commitment to innovation. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Whether you're a fan of the original GT40 or a newcomer to the world of hypercars, the 2025 GT40 is sure to leave you in awe. Thank you for watching Automatic Cars. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ford GT40. Is it the perfect fusion of past and future? We'll see you next time with more exciting content from the world of cars.